Most businesses can create sale offers quickly, but promoting these offers everywhere is where the real delay happens. Someone has to design the post, copy the offer details, open every social media platform, and manually publish everything one by one. And by the time the promotion actually goes live, you have already lost valuable attention. So what if a single row added inside Google Sheet could automatically publish your sale offers across social media instantly? In this video, I will show you how to build exactly that using Pabbly Connect, so that the moment a new offer is added inside Google Sheet, promotional post automatically gets created and published on social media platform without manual posting. Now let me quickly show you the workflow in action, then we will build it together. Here I have this Google Sheet where I add all the details about the offers that I want to announce for my customer. In here, I will quickly add this new offer. Instantly, you will see at first a Facebook post will get created. So let me just check my Facebook account. Here you can see right now a new Facebook offer post. New offer alert has got posted successfully. Now we have to check our LinkedIn also. In here also you can see successfully this new offer, special offer for this week. Get 50% off on AI automation course. You can see these are the same details that I've added inside my Google Sheet. And as soon as I added this offer inside my Google Sheet, automatically it got promoted in my Facebook and in my LinkedIn also. So this happened just because of this automation that I have created here. So because of this automation, instead of manually posting every campaign update, the entire process could be automated with the help of Pabbly Connect. This is super useful for e-commerce brands, agencies, local agencies, marketing teams, and stores running frequent offers. Just like this, I will teach you how you can create this automation for your own business so that you can also boost sales. Now without any delay, let us start creating this automation from scratch. For that, you just have to come up to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. To come here, open a new tab and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect, and then you will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. From there, you have to create your free account if you are new here. If you want to learn the process, you can also watch the video that I have added here on the I button. From there, learn the process of how you can come up to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Inside this dashboard, to start creating your workflow, you have to click on this create workflow button. Click on this, then select this create from scratch. After that, inside this dialog box, we have to give a meaningful name to our workflow. I will name my workflow as this posting offers automatically on social media. Then from here, we have to select the folder where we want to store this workflow. After that, press this create button. You will get directed on this blank workflow page where you can start creating your workflow by integrating multiple applications. First of all, we have to select our trigger application here. That trigger application is like the event with the help of which we want our workflow to get triggered. Now for today, we want to create a workflow that will get triggered as soon as we will add any new offer details on our Google Sheet so that we can promote it to social media. Now this means that we have to select Google Sheet as our trigger application. So click on this plus button given here, then you can simply select this Google Sheet from here. After that, for this application event, select this new or updated spreadsheet row. Then we have to create a connection between this Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. Press this connect button, you will instantly receive this webhook URL. Copy this webhook URL from here, and then you can follow the steps that are given here to successfully integrate this URL inside our Google Sheet. But right now, I will show you directly. For that, you have to open your Google Sheet, and you can see this is the Google Sheet where I add all of our details. Now to integrate it with Pabbly Connect, we have to go on this extension. Then from this add-ons, we have to select this get add-ons. In here, we have to search for webhook because we want to install this Pabbly Connect webhook inside our Google Sheet. Install this Pabbly Connect webhook inside our Google Sheet. After that, you have to go back, refresh your sheet. Then again, inside this extension, this Pabbly Connect webhook will be visible to you. In here, you have to select this initial setup. Here, we have to paste the webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Then inside this trigger column box, we have to add the last column of our Google Sheet where data is added. In my case, that column is D. That's why in here, I will type down this D, and then I will click on this send test button. Instantly, the data that is added on the first row of my Google Sheet will get sent to my Pabbly Connect as a test record. Here our data is sent. Now we have to submit this configuration. After that, we have to do one more thing. We have to go on this extension. Inside this Pabbly Connect webhook, make sure that there is a tick sign in front of this send on event. click on this and your tick sign will get activated. After that, whenever you will add any euro here, automatically those details will get sent to your Pabbly Connect account without any manual interference. This means that our applications are connected. Now we have to check that. So here you can see we have successfully received our response, and in here all those details that were added on the first row of my Google Sheet are captured successfully. This means that my trigger step Google Sheet is working fine. Now we have to work on our action steps. Here we can add as many action steps as we want by just clicking on this plus button. I will click on this. Now first of all, as I want to create a post inside my Facebook page, that's why I will search for this Facebook page from here. Then I will select this Facebook pages for this application event. As we want to create a post, that's why we have to search this create. Then we have to select this create page post. Now we have to create a connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect. For that also, make sure that you are already logged in inside your Facebook page. Here this is my Facebook page, the Magic Makers, and I'm already logged in. So that's why in here also, to create my connection, I just have to press this connect button. Now from here we will get two options. You can either go with your existing connection, but if you want to create a new connection, select this, then press this connect with Facebook pages button. On the left side, Pabbly Connect will detect your Facebook account. You just have to select your account from here, press this continue, your connection will get created successfully. After creating your connection, at first you have to select the page where you want to create a post. So here from this page drop down, I will select this the Magic Makers page. Then inside this box we have to add the message that we want to promote. So I will add this message quickly. I have added this static text of my post. Now in here I will map some of the details, like I will map the discount percent, the title of the discount, the description of the discount, and also the link from where my customers can grab this offer. So for these details, we have to use mapping to map these fields. We have to press the slash button, then we have to search for that discount. Then all the responses that you have received inside your previous step, you can select them to map your data. Here this discount is visible to us. We just have to click over this and it is mapped successfully. For this title also, I will press the slash, search this title from here, and my title is visible. I just have to click over this and it is also mapped successfully. I have added the static part of my message. Now in here we will map some of the details to make them dynamic, because every time we will receive a new response, like every time I will add a new row inside my Google Sheet, automatically the dynamic details that I will add here will get changed. But if I will type down these details, then they will remain static and they will not change unless we manually change it. So this means that by mapping we can make sure that our workflow runs smoothly every time. So to map data, we just have to press this slash button. Then from this drop down of previous step, we can simply map all the response that we have received. Here as we wanted to map the discount percent, so I will search for this discount percent by typing this DISC in here. You can see here the discount percent is visible. We just have to click over this and it is mapped successfully. For this title also, I'll first press this slash, search for the title from here, then I will select this title. I will map the description also. I have to repeat the same process, search the description, select it, and it is mapped. For this link also, I'll press this slash, search for the link from here, then I will select this. We have successfully mapped all the details inside this message box. Now we just have to press this save and send test request button. Instantly this post will get created inside my Facebook page. We have received our response also. This means that our post is created. Now I will show you the post, but before that, what I personally like about workflows like this is how simple the process becomes for marketing teams. Instead of depending on manually posting every time, your campaign can start automatically the moment offer data gets added. And once you understand this workflow, you can automate much more. For example, you can schedule promotions, send WhatsApp campaigns, notify Telegram channels, update CRM records, or trigger email marketing workflows automatically, and that too all without coding. So if you also want to try Pabbly Connect on your own, you can anytime use my coupon code JAIYT to purchase your own subscription, because right now we are running a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So this means that by using my coupon code JAIYT, you can avail that subscription and save yourselves time and money. So just go and purchase your subscription as soon as possible. Now let us open our Facebook account. Here we just have to refresh this page. After that, you will see instantly a new post have got created successfully about this 40% off on summer sale. This means that the workflow that I've created here is working all fine. Now we have to work on our last step, where we will select LinkedIn to create a promotion. There also we have to click on this plus button, search for this LinkedIn from here. Then we have to select our action application LinkedIn. for this application event, as we want to create a post. That's why select this create company text post. Press this connect button to create a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, and make sure that you are already logged in inside your LinkedIn account also. Like I am already logged in, so I will select this add new connection and press this connect with LinkedIn button on the left side. Pabbly Connect will direct my account and my connection will get created successfully. Now first of all, here we have to select the organization. So this is my organization, Magnet Based Learning Foundation. So I will select this. Then inside this content box, we have to add the content that we want to post inside our LinkedIn. So I will quickly add this post also. I have added all the required details. Like inside this content box, I've added the discount person, offer title, description, and offer link. Just below this, for this article preview URL, I have added the same offer link. Then for this title, I've added this title as summer sale. Then for the description also, I've added this limited time discount. And to fill up these details, I took help of mapping. After adding all these details, just press this save and send test request button. Instantly, a new post will get created inside your LinkedIn page. Here we have pressed our button. Instantly, we will receive our response. Then we have to open our LinkedIn page. Just refresh this. Let me just refresh this. Here we have received our response and our LinkedIn page is about to get refreshed. Instantly, we will see that a new post here is created successfully right now. Special offer for this week, get 40% off on summer sale. So we have successfully created this workflow, with the help of which we can instantly promote any offers on our social media by simply adding all the details about the offer on our Google Sheet. So that's how you can automatically post sales offers on your social media using Pabbly Connect. Now go and create this workflow on your own. But if you want to use my workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box so that you can use it from there. And this was a simple automation, but a massive time saver for promotion and campaign management. So if this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next automation tutorial. But don't forget to use my coupon code JAIYT while purchasing your subscription to avail a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.